finally, we are in our kitchen. So, that means that we're going to cook today. This time, I have invited someone to show us how to prepare and cook this special menu, which is called chicken lollipop. This is very good for all the mommies. It's because that most children loves chicken lollipop. But this time, guys, I want to introduce to you our guest cook. It's Mr. Mags.
Hello guys! Welcome to Bibi Carms YouTube channel. Join us in our cooking session today.
Mr. Mags is going to show us how to prepare and then cook the chicken lollipop. Yes, that's one of the popular menu that we have here at home as well. Come on guys, join us. We'll start from showing you the ingredients. Guys, the main ingredient of chicken lollipop is obviously a chicken. You have to get a chicken wings. So Mr. Mags is now going to show us how to prepare the chicken to look like a lollipop. Alright then, let's wash the chicken first. We need to wash the chicken because we're not so sure if it has been washed before they pack the chicken. The chicken wings, there's always two parts of the chicken wings when you purchase it. And they always cut it already in two. So there is one part which is smaller and the other one is just like that, looks like a drumstick. Okay, so this small one, it has two bones. So you have to remove the smallest bone, okay? And this one has one bone. So you just leave it. And we will show you how we're going to prepare this to look like a lollipop. Okay? Alright guys, what actually you have to do is you have to split the part of the chicken wings who've got two bones, and then you have to remove the most thinner one, okay? And then you scrape all the meat of the chicken towards one end of the remaining bone, okay? And then you have to pull it out, and that's how it looks like. Guys, I will try to do it, okay? Try the biggie one. Okay, this is the part of the wings that has only one bone. So I will see if I can do it. I'm just extra careful because I do not want to cut my fingers. There's some tendons.
Yeah, you need to cut it.
I know, so you need to cut all those tendons so that it's easier to scrape the meat of the chicken.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, and then you just have to pull it up.
Pull.
The right word, invert
The skin should be inside.
Look.
Yeah, the skin
Right.
is inside.
So I'm going to show you now all the ingredients that we're going to use to cook our chicken lollipop. So obviously you can see we have our chicken here that we already prepared, and we will use pepper, garlic powder, and salt. So all those three, we're going to use them to marinate our chicken to have a nice flavor. So we also have flour and corn flour with 2 eggs to use to as a butter or to coat our chicken before we will fry it. So guys, these are all the ingredients that you only have to prepare every time you need to cook chicken lollipop. Okay, so what are we doing now?
Dividing into half.
Okay, so what he did is actually he divided the chickens into half. One is in the bowl, and then the other one he left it onto the plate. And then what did you put there, Dad?
Pepper.
Yeah.
And garlic
Okay.
powder.
How much pepper did you put? How many teaspoons of pepper did you put on one pack? Oh, half packet of the chicken.
Half salt, half pepper, and half tablespoon.
What do you mean half?
Half tablespoon.
Half tablespoon of pepper, half tablespoon of garlic powder, and half And the salt,
is according to you,
okay, it's just
Not too
according to
much.
your taste. So
Not too
just
much.
estimate it,
but
okay?
not too much.
You said we need to leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. Daddy, all right, tell me. Sometimes people, some of the chefs, they actually cover it with cling film and leave it in the fridge. Is that something what you do as well?
Yeah, you can do that if you will cook it for later. But if you want to cook it
Quicker.
quicker, doesn't matter. It's
Okay, so 15, what, 5 minutes is okay if you want to cook it?
Yeah, you can cook it now. Actually, there's no problem.
After 15 minutes, we actually left the chicken in the fridge. Now we are going to prepare the coating or the butter of the chicken. All right.
Lollipop.
So how are we going to do it, Dad?
So what you need is 1 cup
1 cup of
plain flour.
plain flour.
Okay.
All right. So he told me that it's better to use a plate on a flat plate. Okay. Do you want me to switch this on? Okay. Right. So there you are. He just break the 2 eggs and I believe he's going to beat that one in a minute. We're just going to heat the oil.
Enough to soak to.
All right then. So make sure that the oil that you're going to pour in your saucepan will be enough to deep fry your chicken. Okay. Okay, so while he's waiting for the oil to boil, what are you doing, Daddy?
Start to coat.
Okay. How long have you been doing this, Daddy? When did you learn how to make chicken lollipop?
I think it's a long time ago. I can't remember.
When was that? When was that long time ago? Did you do that when we are still in the Philippines, or you just learned that when we are abroad already?
I learned it here.
Okay. Actually, yes. Yeah. I think you learned it from
Annalie.
Annalie, isn't it? Yes. Yeah, he learned that from my aunt, who is also here in UK. So from then on, he becomes an expert. And everyone wants to know how is he doing it.
To remove the excess.
Okay, so the oil is ready now, you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
So what are you doing now?
Reduce it.
So reduce the heat, and then you have to remove the excess flour, right? By shaking it, okay? Guys, it's cooked. So we need to
It looks like a lollipop.
put it onto a table napkin so that it will absorb all the oil, excess oil.
Look,
So,
it look like.
Daddy, thank you so much for showing us. Look, it looks like a chicken lollipop now. Is it still hot? Oh, diba? Oh, sa mga birthday party ng mga bata, you can also do that. Okay, so is it testing time? I'm excited to try it. Alright guys, so we are done, and the exciting time of the cooking session is the tasting time. So I will try it. Yummy, crunchy. The chicken is just well done. And as you remember, we did not put any salt or pepper on the flour and corn flour, but I can still taste that the chicken actually was marinated very well, and it's delicious. All right guys, thank you so much for joining us. Sorry, I'm just enjoying it. Yes, thank you guys for joining us. I hope you learn again something from us today. And yeah, keep on requesting and asking some whatever menu you want me to share with you. And we will try our best. Okay, thank you so much guys. Bye. Guys, let's say thank you to Mr. Mags for showing us how to prepare the chicken lollipops. Hopefully next time he will join us again. So guys, do not forget to
Like and subscribe to Bibi Carms channel.
thank you. Bye.